What's the meaning of BR? BR. BR.
BR. BR. The abbreviation BR can have several meanings depending on the context. It is commonly used as an abbreviation for brother, especially in religious contexts when referring to male members of a religious order. BR can also be an abbreviation for branch, often used in business or organizational contexts to refer to a division or subgroup of a larger entity. Additionally, BR may be used as an abbreviated form of the word Brazil, particularly in international sports competitions and on travel documents. The meaning of BR can vary greatly based on the context in which it is used.